Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro versus the Off-Road Premium. We'll dive into their distinct features, performance capabilities, and overall value. Understanding these differences will help you decide which rugged SUV is the perfect fit for your adventurous lifestyle. Let's explore what makes each model unique and determine which one truly stands out for your needs. The TRD Pro is built for serious off-road enthusiasts. It boasts Fox internal bypass shocks, a unique front skid plate, and a distinct grille. You also get 17-inch matte black TRD alloy wheels and a TRD roof rack. These specialized components provide superior articulation and damping, making it exceptionally capable on challenging terrains. It's designed to conquer the toughest trails with confidence. Moving to the Off-Road Premium, this model offers a fantastic blend of capability and comfort. It features a locking rear differential and multi-terrain select, enhancing its off-road prowess. Inside, you'll find soft tech-trimmed seats and an upgraded infotainment system for a more refined experience. It's perfect for those who want strong off-road performance without sacrificing everyday amenities and a comfortable ride. So, which 4Runner is better? If extreme off-roading is your priority, the TRD Pro's specialized suspension and aggressive styling make it the clear winner. However, if you seek a versatile SUV that balances impressive off-road capability with enhanced interior comfort and technology, the Off-Road Premium is an excellent choice. Both are incredibly capable, but your ideal vehicle depends on your specific adventures. Check the description for links to these leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.